Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to add a title to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. For that one I have already opened Adobe Premiere Pro and I have created a new project. So what I will do is I will import a video at first, file, import, and then I will import any video. Now click on this project, you will see the video which we have just imported. So what I will do now is I will import this video to the timeline here. So the video is imported. Let me play the video.
Press the subscribe.
Okay. Now if you want to add a title to this video, then what you will do is you will click on this title, go to new title, and then you can select default still. Okay, after that you can give a name to the title. Okay, and here you will type the text which you want to add. So that I have added the text. Now from here you can change the color of the text. You can change the font style if you want to make it bold or bold, italic. Also you can change the style of the font from here. So once you have set all of the font, then what you do is just close this box here. Now this is the title, or this is the text. Now if I have to add this text to my video, I will drag and drop the text here. Now it's up to you from here where you want to start the text to appear. You may want the text to appear from the beginning of the video, or you may want the text to appear from here, and you can stretch this duration of the text until when you want to appear it on the video. So you can either make it smaller or you can stretch it. Okay, so if I play this video from here, then let us see what happens.
Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video
you can see the text appears, and when
for the application
it disappears here. So the text will appear from this time to until this time. So you can see the text is still, it doesn't have any animation. If you want to have a basic animation, then what you can do is you can double click on it, and then you can click on this roll crawl option, and if you want you can make the text roll, or you can make the text scroll to the left, scroll to the right. So for me, I just want the text to roll, and then I'll select start off screen, in off screen. Okay, now let me see what happens when I play this one
channel. And today in this video we will see how to disable
you can see
automatic
you can see the text is scrolling
download of
so this basic animation you can apply to this text. So this is how you can add a text or a title to a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.